Friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a program that reverses a string, means displays the letters starting from last letter to first letter. Let's get started. First of all, you will need a software, that is Netbeans IDE. You can download Netbeans from this URL. Here you can see netbeans.org/downloads/index.html. After going this, you can download Java SE, clicking the download button, or Java EE, or all, means you will get all these features in the Java package. You can download any of your choice. So I will download this. You can download this from here and it will automatically start. After downloading, you can install the software, and after installing, here it will look like this, Netbeans IDE shortcut. When I run this, it will start and take a few seconds to start. Just wait while it starts. It's too slow today. So it is started. We will need to create a new project here, and you will see the options. I have all features available in my Netbeans IDE. You can choose here Java application and click next. Name the Java project. I will use tutorial, and click finish to create the project. Now it is created. Getting started, we will need to create a new JFrame form. Here you can see at third or fourth number, but here in my Netbeans IDE, here it is in first place. You can name the class you are designing. Let me name it reverse string program. Click finish and it will load. We can change the width and height of this JFrame. Here we will write, edit the text and enter any number. I have taken this label to display some text. Then we will take text field for entering the number and change the text field value to 0. Then one button, and rename the button as what should I write here? Reverse it. And you can change the variable name of this field also. I will change it to number. Number, and double click on the button. for the program coding, first of all we need to store the text field value into any variable. For example, I am taking here string input is equal to store the value in input, we have some command that is number, that is the name of the text field, dot get text. This is a function, inbuilt function in IDE. Second step, we need to calculate the length of this input number. So length will be stored in an integer type. Length is equal to number dot length. It is also a function which calculates the length. Dot number, here we will need input dot length, because number is a text field, it cannot calculate the length of text field, it will calculate the length of stored variable. Then we will create a for loop for bracket and int I is equal to length I greater than equal to 1 I minus minus. So it will execute the for loop up to the when I will reach the length, means the number of, it will execute the for loop equals to the number of letters in the variable. So we need to put a last letter from the number, so we will need to create a new string that will store the last letter. String last is equal to this, and we will need last is equal to input dot substring. Here we will write I minus 1. It will take the I minus 1th letter. It will start taking letter from I minus 1th position of the variable and up to end. So what will be the I minus 1th position? The last second letter, means it will not take the last second letter and take onward, means last letter it will take. The last letter will be stored in the last variable, that is string, and then we will need to put the letter into another string reverse string we have taken here, and then reverse is equal to reverse dot concat means it will combine the two strings, that is reversed and last. Next we will need to create the input. We will need to remove the last letter from input so that it can take I minus 1th letter again from this input. So we will do input is equal to input dot substring. It will, here we will write first letter, means it will start from 0. To not take 0th letter, but will take first letter and up to I minus 1th letter of the variable. And at last we will need to print the string that we have saved. So j option print dot show message dialog. We will need this will display a dialog, message dialog, which will show the converted string. This is the syntax of the option. Then we will write here the reversed string is. We will need to put the string here, string variable that will display the information related to the reversed string. It shows error in this JFC pane because it is not defined in this package. We have to import a file for this. JFC pane import java x.sim.joption pane. We load the file for JFC pane, but we will have to put this line here because it is under the package. So now the line is gone. If I run this program, run file, enter any string here. For example, I have written here. It will display message dialog that we have used JOption pane and reverse the string. You can use any letters, spaces and special symbols at this. It will reverse that. Or we can add spaces, more than one spacing. It will reverse that also. So this is very good program to think, and hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.